Princess Samantha. Today we're going to be cooking with HelloFresh. And what we're cooking is honey thyme pork tenderloin. Here's our ingredients. Our produce. Salt and pepper. Grapeseed oil and butter. Of course, our pork tenderloin. Our measuring spoons. And of course, our recipes to make it. Please like, subscribe, and comment other foods you want me to try. Okay, so we're going to open the bag and we're going to see the produce we have. We have our 2 chicken broths.
Actually, chicken stock concentration.
And our garlic. And I think clovers. Okay, so we have broccoli and some potatoes. I think this is honey. Thyme leaves. More potatoes. Some more season. And that is it. So we're going to wash our produce and we'll be right back. Okay, so I washed my produce. So my dad cut the potatoes and we're going to add our oil, pepper, and salt. Okay, now our salt. That's it. And now our pepper.
Shake it more.
Okay, so now we're going to put it in the oven and let it cook. Now that we've seasoned our pork tenderloin with salt and pepper, we're going to move it to the frying pan and my dad's going to help me. Okay, my pork tenderloins are cooking. My dad put it on the stove for me. Kids, remember when you're cooking with fire, please have a parent's supervision. Okay, we have our pork tenderloin browning and we minced our garlic and we have our broccoli. And we're going to season and put oil on our broccoli. Just a little bit more. Wait, that's enough. That's a lot. Okay. Now we're going to add, it says add a pinch of salt. So we're going to add only a little bit of pinch. And we're going to add our pepper, pinch of pepper. Okay, so we got our pork tenderloin out of the oven, and now we're going to make the sauce. Okay, so we have our oil in our pan, and we're going to go start on the sauce. Okay, we're adding the garlic. Okay, now we're going to stir in the thyme. Okay, we're adding the honey. Okay, we're adding the chicken stock.
It was actually chicken stock concentration.
Okay, so we add our garlic, our honey, our chicken stock, and our thyme. Now we're gonna add our water. Okay, we added salt and pepper to our sauce and 2 tablespoons of butter. And now we're going to mix it into a thickening. Okay. our chicken in our plate, so now we're going to drizzle our sauce. Okay, this is my cooking with HelloFresh and the Honey Thyme pork tenderloin. I rate it a 5 out of 5. Please subscribe and comment and have a great night. Bye!